This 3-part digital notebook has 12 original embedded tutorial videos to support your students with learning about the attributes of three-dimensional shapes, including practicing and reasoning about solids at depth of knowledge levels 1, 2, and 3. Students have full control over the videos, pausing, rewinding, or watching it again. You can incorporate the slides into your lessons or have the students work independently. You'll get tips on how to use this digital notebook for in-class instruction, hybrid model instruction, or distance learning model. In Part 1, students will make connections to real-life or real-world objects that represent the three-dimensional shapes in this digital notebook. Let's make math real to the students. Part 2 has been designed to help you reinforce conceptual understanding of the attributes of solids, the faces, the edges, the vertices, and the angles. Finally, in Part 3, students begin to reason about shapes and using their new understandings to sort, determine, and describe solid shapes. Are you teaching English language learners or students with disabilities? Included is a list of tips and suggestions to help you modify or adapt this digital notebook for special populations. Students get more support in the presenter or speaker notes with more detailed instructions. You'll also find an answer key and a scoring guide. Not using Google Apps? You'll get a guide how to move it to other platforms.